In this video, I'm going to show you something special, and that is how you can create podcast. Yes, so for that you need to log in anchor.fm. So if you have email ID, you just come on anchor.fm and then log in, and then you will reach this platform or dashboard. Okay, so here you can see so many things like update settings, help logout, distribution, and in update settings you can do all these things like uploading your picture. And I will show you where you can design your picture like this. So so this is the dashboard right now. I will, and whenever I create any new episode, it will be saved in episodes. Okay, so I will show you one. So this is the platform where you have to take actions. Okay, record, that means capture audio right from your browser. Messages, library. In library, you can keep your all recordings or audio, and further you can edit those audios. Yes. So let me record one thing. Okay, so I'm going to record small audio. Just click on start recording. Yes, it's going on. Okay, so now I'm going to stop it, and I am going to put some or add music here. Okay, so I have stopped the recording. Now this is raw audio. Now I will put some music with this, and I will upload in episode. Okay, so even you can name this recording. Okay, just yes, I'm going to edit this one, demo podcast. Okay, now have recorded, then I have you know the raw podcast or demo for podcast here. Now I will click on add plus, then it will take to this option. Now here I'm going to add music. You have to click here. Okay, so my favorite is beats Crompton, and then I will drag here, apply. Okay, so the system will take automatically, and in the background music is you know like linked with the audio. Okay, so now I will play it. Okay, the system done. Now the time is for save episode. So once you create the episode, it will be moved to this one. Okay, here you are going to create new, and it will be shifted to here. So now our podcast is ready. Now I'm going to save it. Wait, it's taking time anyway. Okay, so you can see here we have saved the podcast. Now you can name here anything, but important thing is that demo podcast. Okay, again you have to give details here. If you don't give, then the system will not publish it. Okay, so give something like demo, and then you can season number, whatever number, episode number you can give as per your wish. Okay, and then here is the like issue, that whether you want to change this picture, or it will be like this only. And if you want to change, okay, then you have to visit one website where you can create your own picture like this. So I will take you to this website, and the website name is canva.com. Okay, you can see here I have created. Suppose you want to drag these things or make it small, you can do like this. You can remove like this. You can make it small or big. You can like text, If you want to put text, you can add text like this. You can change color also in this way. You can do any color. Okay, you can see here. Okay, now if you have any doubt, see, canva.com is in two version. One is free version and one is a pro version. So free version is enough for you for designing anything. And if you have any question that what type of sizes you have taken, that home, and you take the Facebook one, Facebook post size you take, let me show you there, then you will get the confidence. Wait. Okay, so if you are thinking that from which template I have selected, that template, then let me show you here. So sorry, for podcast template, you can check Facebook post. This will help you in creating template for your podcast. Okay, it's very simple. You just log in with a Gmail account and reach here, and you can select any template you want: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever, resume logo, whatever you want to design. You just come here and just drag and drop. Okay, let me take one example here. Yes, I want to show you how you can work on this. So this one is fresh one. Okay, yes, this one is taking time anyway, so I'm not going to waste your time here. Let me show you something different. Okay, so we have reached finally here. Okay, if you want to increase the size, okay, this is the template, you can edit easily. Okay, just drag and drop. If you want to change the color, you can change it easily. You can increase the size also. You can see here. See, if you want to put your image here, okay, nothing to worry. You just go and upload an image from device. Okay, so it will take from the device only. Okay, so nothing to worry here. You just stop it. Again my system not working. Okay, I'm not going to take anymore. So whenever you upload picture from here, it will reach here. You have to drag from here on this point. Okay, so this will help you in creating everything. So without wasting time, I'm just going to, okay, publish now. I'm not going to publish because I have already published in my, what call, episodes. So I will show you episodes only. Okay. Now I will go to episodes. So create new episode, and then it will come to this place. Okay. It's very simple, friends. Just drag and drop and everything will be fine. And here you don't have to worry. You can set everything here. Okay. So you can see here. These are my episode. This is my demo. I'm not going to take. I'm going to delete it. Yes, I have deleted that one. Just I have created for showing purpose. Anyway, so if you really want to create podcast, then I think Anchor.fm is free, and you can create here for free of cost. And if you want to design some template or like any image, so whatever, you can come and you can design here. Anyway, so thank you so much for listening and giving your time. For now, bye bye.